Hey guys, ladies, beauties, and Barbies, dollies, everyone out there, hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's video, it's all about a cat eye makeup look. I think the cat eye has given me that glam that is truly wearable in all aspect and in all location. But since I'm doing this video in two different places or location because something went wrong during my vanity room video shooting. Anyway, let's proceed with the video and hopefully you like the cat eye makeup look. So first of all, I'm going to use a Laura Mercier primer. So try to apply it well. So moving on into my foundation, I'm going to be using the MAC Face and Body Foundation. So just apply your foundation into your face. Oh gosh, I look really bright. I'm so awake and I don't look so tired. So I'm gonna use just enough powder to set up everything up. After setting up my foundation, I am using a bronzer from MAC. So I'm just gonna go straight ahead with my forehead here on the top. Hopefully you can see it well. See the makeup with a bronzer. Oh my goodness. How it transformed my face and make it really nice. And also put more here at the jawline. So this has no products on it. It's just gonna clean everything up. So what you can do is just get rid of all the harsh line. So see when you use this brush and you can see that there is no harsh line or anything that people can see, oh, you did some bronzing. At this point of time, it's just like you don't do anything at all. Now I'm going to my vanity room to continue on with my highlights, with my blush on, and into the second part of my video you can see my vanity room since there is a distortion of my first video, so I have to redo all over again. So right now I am going to start with my highlights, and this highlight is from MAC. I really love this highlight because it could really give me that glow that I really needed. And all you have to do is just get the brush, the fan brush for it, and then just get these highlights into the place where you want it to. I've been using, and then use it on top of your cheekbone so that it could give you that great highlight and glow. And now I'm going to have my Revlon pink blush on. Remember, you have to make it lifted when you're doing it because you don't want to make your face droopy if you make your blush on go down. And now I'm going to use a Revlon lip stain or lipstick. I really love this color because it complements well into my makeup, and you have to choose the right color or shades into your lips because it can make or break your makeup. My skin gets brighter when I use this color, the shades. Now I'm gonna brush everything out so that I could clean up all the harsh lines that I did into my face, because if you have that harsh line, with all the highlights, the bronzer, and the blush on that you did into your face, then you could look fake and you could look strong. So to even out everything, you just have to have this puffy big brush. Then set up all your makeup with a loose powder so that you can have that final retouch. For the final touch, I'm gonna use my MAC setting spray, the Fix Plus, which I really love to refresh my skin, to set up my makeup again after that powder, and then try to give me that glow. And I hope you guys can do it for yourself. And if you have any questions, try to comment down below, and please do like and subscribe on my channel so you can follow me in all of my videos. See you guys, and once again, stay lovely, stay pretty, stay gorgeous. See you. Bye.